Saxo Bank has launched an innovative new equities platform. We've asked Jeff Saul, who's the head of group equities at Saxo Bank, to tell us more about the new platform, which gives private investors the same opportunities to trade stocks that professionals have today. Jeff, you're launching this platform which you call the world's best equity platform. Mm-hmm. What makes it so unique?
The unique thing is that we are now, for the first time ever, giving the retail investor the same tools when it comes to trading and when it comes to the fundamental information as the professional investors have. And that will open up a whole new world for them, which is why we dare to come with that statement.
The platform claims to be the only one of its sort that minimises risk. How does that happen?
Well, in our new platform, because of the broad range of instruments you can trade on Saxo's platform, it'll now be possible for the investor to hedge the stock market risk, the sector risk, FX risks, and commodity risks, and also spread his investment across a peer group instead of just investing in one single stock. And we think that those tools are really unique to our platform because most other platforms will just offer you the opportunity to buy and sell stocks, and you don't have the risk minimization there.
Okay. What were the reasons behind the decision to develop this new platform?
Well, I've been an investor for 26 years myself, and I've always been missing these tools. So when I start worrying about the stock market, I haven't had the chance to hedge my portfolio. I would either have to sell the stocks that I really like or just go down with the market. And now I can just keep the portfolio of stocks that I like, and I can short the stock market. And if my portfolio does better than the market, I'll still make money in a down market. That's really been one of the instrumental things in developing this platform to open these opportunities for investors. The other thing is, as a private investor, I've really always missed where can I get enough information about the company? What is the view of the professional analyst? What are their estimates? And make my own judgment on that. And you can do that now.
What benefits are there for traders on the new platform?
The benefits are that as a retail investor, you can now trade like the professionals. So you don't need only to go long a stock. You can short stocks. You can trade baskets. You can do pair trades. So really, we open up a complete new world of opportunities for you. Plus, our fundamental data will allow you to make much more informed decisions. So you know why you're buying a stock, because it's cheaper or better than some of its competitors. And I think the other thing is, if you're in doubt, once you've done your own homework, you can now, because we've implemented the investor forum from Euroinvestor into our platform, you can basically go out and discuss your ideas with other investors instead of asking the advisor at the bank, who you don't trust anymore. You can ask other investors what they think about your ideas, and once you've finished that discussion, you can go and do your trading.
Well, what sort of information can traders see on each particular share or company?
There's all the information you can dream of. So basically, there's valuation, there's full P&L where you have 5 years of historical information, 3 years of estimates. There's full valuation sheet. There's a description of the company, what it does, how the competitive situation is, who are their competitors, how does their profits and revenues split on products and geography. And which factors is the company sensitive to in terms of FX and commodities? Is it a cyclical company? So you basically have all the information you can dream of, in my view.
60% of Saxo Bank's turnover comes from partners. Will partners have the same access to the platform?
Absolutely. We will initially launch it for Saxo clients, and after a short testing period, we'll make it available to all our partners.
And if people aren't existing customers, they want to try the platform, what should they do?
Well, they can open an account and get access to it right away. Or we have a test account, a simulation account, where they can both see some examples of the fundamental research that's available, and they can also see all the features and trading opportunities on the platform. So once they've seen that, then if they think it's outstanding relative to the place their clients at the moment, they can just open an account.